In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change MetaMask seed phrase. First, it's important to understand that you cannot edit or change your existing secret recovery phrase or seed phrase. This phrase is permanently tied to the master cryptographic keys of your wallet. Therefore, the only way to get a new seed phrase is to create a new MetaMask wallet. This ensures that your assets are secure and that you are using the most updated security features available. Now, let's dive into the first option, which is to create a new wallet and generate a new seed phrase. Before doing anything, make sure you back up your current phrase. This is critical because if you lose it, any funds in that wallet will be lost forever. Take a moment to write down your secret recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. You can consider using a password manager or a secure paper copy. This step is essential for your peace of mind and protects your funds. Once you've securely backed up your current seed phrase, the next step is to remove MetaMask from your device. You can do this by uninstalling the MetaMask browser extension or deleting the mobile app from your device. This is necessary to ensure that you start with a clean slate for the new installation. It might seem like a hassle, but taking this extra step helps clear any potential issues with your previous setup. After that, you will need to reinstall MetaMask. To do this, re-add the MetaMask extension to your browser or download the app again on your mobile device. This process is straightforward. Simply visit the official MetaMask website for the extension or get it from your mobile app store. By starting fresh, you ensure that you have the latest version, which is important for security and functionality. Now, during the setup process, you will be prompted to create a new wallet. Choose the option to create a new wallet. This is the step where you will generate your new seed phrase. It's an exciting moment because this new phrase will secure your new wallet. Make sure you pay close attention to the instructions on the screen as they will guide you through the process. Once you have created your new wallet, MetaMask will generate and display a new secret recovery phrase. Write it down on paper and store it securely. This is a vital step as this new phrase will be your key to accessing your funds in the future. Treat it like cash or any other valuable item. Keeping it secure ensures that you maintain full control over your new wallet. Next, let's move on to the second option, which is to add a new account while keeping your existing seed phrase. If your goal is simply to have a new address for interacting with different decentralized applications, you do not need a new seed phrase. Start by opening your MetaMask wallet and clicking the Account Selector dropdown at the top. This is a quick process that allows you to expand your functionality without the need for a full wallet reset. Then, click on Add Account or Hardware Wallet. This option will guide you to add a new account under your existing seed phrase. Select Add New Account and you will be prompted to type in an account name. After naming your account, click Create. This will instantly generate a new wallet address derived from your current seed phrase. This method is efficient and provides you with another avenue to manage your assets without the hassle of starting over. Lastly, if you want to import an external account from another wallet, you will need to follow a simple process. Click the Account Selector dropdown again at the top. From there, select Add Account or Hardware Wallet, and then click Import Account. This step allows you to integrate a specific wallet address from another platform into your MetaMask wallet. You will need to paste the private key from your other wallet and click Import. This enables you to manage multiple wallets seamlessly within one MetaMask interface. Remember, if your current seed phrase has been compromised, creating a new wallet and moving your assets is the only way to secure them. Changing your MetaMask password does not change your seed phrase or protect a compromised wallet. Always ensure you never share your seed phrase with anyone, as MetaMask support will never ask for it. This will keep your assets safe.